GIS stands for Geographic Information System, can be defined as any computer-based tool that can create or input spatial data in a raster or vector form, has a database functionality of storing, retrieving, and querying spatial data, can transform, analyze, and model spatial data, and finally, can visualize spatial data in a raster, vector, or map form. So simply, we can describe GIS as a software designed to input, store, edit, retrieve, analyze, and output geospatial data. To become a good GIS specialist, it is important that you have a solid understanding of other fields like surveying, which concerns itself with the measurement of location of objects on the Earth's surface. You also need to understand cartography, which is the creation and study of maps. You also need to understand remote sensing, which is a capturing of data of an object without being physically near the object. And also photogrammetry, which is the science of measuring the distance, heights, etc. of objects on an image, mostly to produce a 3D rendering of the object on the image. There are other studies like statistics, mathematics, computer science, which are also good to know. GIS as a tool is flexible and is used across various industries and disciplines. Some of the most popular use cases include urban and regional planning, which can involve land use planning, infrastructure development, traffic management. It is also used in the field of environmental monitoring conservation, which goes into habitat management, natural disaster analysis, climate change modeling, etc. We can also use GIS for agriculture and precision mapping, like crop monitoring, irrigation planning, pest control, and what have you. As you can see, GIS is a very flexible tool and is used almost every industry. Since GIS is a tool, you need softwares to be able to practice GIS. The software usually depends on your use case, so we can separate it into desktop, mobile app, and then web-based software. So for desktop-related GIS softwares, the three most important ones are ArcGIS, QGIS, Global Mapper. For web-based software, we have ArcGIS Online, we have Google Earth Engine, and others. For mobile apps, which mainly concerns itself with data capturing, we have Survey123, which is made by the same company that makes ArcGIS. We have QField, and then Locus Map,